Hello, welcome to my channel. I've got an incredible video for you about my experience at Plitvice National Park in Croatia. You talk about chasing waterfalls. Oh my goodness, I've never been anywhere with so many waterfalls. Over 90 waterfalls with 16 lakes and trails that take you through this. So I'm going to just tell you a little bit about it, and then I'm going to share the video on the experience. Now, I took Trail H from entrance 2. There's two entrances, entrance 1 and entrance 2. And our trail was the second longest. It started in the upper falls and went for 5.5 miles or 9 kilometers, and then crossed a lake to get to the lower falls. And then when you start at entrance 2, it ends at the grand finale at the end with the highest waterfalls. So everything just worked out perfectly. I can't recommend it enough. And I'm staying in the town Kornica at a hostel called Falling Lakes. It's worked out great. And then they also offered a shuttle for to the entrance 2. So that worked out perfect. So come along and join me. I'm going to show you Plitvice National Park and why you should come visit. Our trail, we started at entrance 2, is H. And they recommended 4 to 6 hours, which is about where we were. Started here, came around, and then we grabbed a boat and came to here, hiked around, and then came back. And that was about 9 kilometers or 5.5 miles. So we're in the upper falls, and overall in the park there's over 90 waterfalls and 16 lakes. So we're just getting started here, folks. Oh, that's great. Before anyone comes. Holy moly! How cool! Wow! How cool is that? Woo! Holy moly! We're taking the electric boat from the upper falls to the lower falls on Trail H. Look at that. And we just saw a water snake. Oh my goodness. Water snake. Ooh, I wonder if they're poisonous. Ooh, he's coming over there. What do you know, more waterfalls. Oh, it's a grill. Huh. Bistro. Oh, they got vegan burgers. It's got to be the freshest water on the planet. look at this. I think it's phlox. Oh, look at the moss. So pretty. How green that is. Oh. Water and then the green trees. It looks just really teal. Out of video. I gotta get another. Is it? But that's mushroom. Is it turkey tail maybe? I don't know. Turkey tail is so good for anti-cancer.
I always think like those little mushrooms